where did we come from? Not just where humans came from, but where everything came from. The stars, the planets, the atoms in your body, you. Every atom in your body, except the lightest hydrogen, was forged inside the heart of an ancient star that died long before our sun was born. Carbon in your cells, calcium in your bones, iron in your blood, gold in your ring. All of them were born in stellar furnaces hotter than imagination. Then scattered across the galaxy in cataclysmic supernova explosions. The night sky is not just something you look at. It is something you are made of. You are the universe, looking at itself and wondering where it came from. Let's go back, all the way back, to a moment when there was no time, no space, no matter. 13.8 billion years ago, everything that would ever exist was compressed into a point smaller than an atom. Then, in a flash, far brighter than 1 trillion suns, the universe began to expand. In the first tiny fraction of a second, the four forces of nature were born. In the first 3 minutes, the lightest elements, hydrogen, helium, a trace of lithium. For the next 380,000 years, the universe was a glowing plasma, too hot for light to travel. Then it cooled. The first light was set free, and we can still see that light today. A faint whisper from the birth of everything, called the cosmic microwave background. For hundreds of millions of years, the universe was dark, until gravity pulled the first clouds of hydrogen together, and the very first stars ignited. They were monsters, hundreds of times larger than our sun, burning with ultraviolet fury. They lived fast and died in spectacular supernovae, spewing the first heavy elements into space. Without those dying giants, there would be no planets, no chemistry, and no life. We owe our existence to stars that died before the Earth even existed. From the ashes of dead stars, galaxies formed, trillions of them. And inside one ordinary spiral galaxy, in an unremarkable outer arm, a small yellow star formed, with a swirling disk of dust and gas around it. That dust began to stick together, forming rocks, planets, and eventually, one pale blue dot, covered in water, and bathed in the perfect light of its parent star. On that blue dot, something impossible happened. Molecules learned to copy themselves. Life began, from single cells in primordial oceans. fish crawling onto land, to creatures that could look back at the sky and ask the same question you asked as a child. 3.8 billion years of evolution, all leading to this moment. You, watching this, wondering where you came from. Every culture in history has looked up and asked the same thing. Australian Aboriginal Dreamtime stories say we come from the stars. Ancient Sumerians wrote that the gods created us from cosmic clay. The Dogon tribe in Africa knew about Sirius B, a star invisible to the naked eye, centuries before telescopes. Were they just lucky guesses or echoes of an older truth? Today we know there are more planets in our galaxy than human beings who have ever lived. Many of them in the habitable zone, many of them rocky, many bathed in the light of a gentle star. The same chemistry that created life here is happening right now, on billions of worlds we will never see. So perhaps the answer is bigger than we ever imagined. We didn't just come from the stars. We are one expression of a single note in a cosmic symphony being played on countless worlds. So where do we really come from? We come from exploding stars, from the fire of the Big Bang, from oceans that learned to dream, from ancestors who looked up and wondered, and from a universe that, for reasons we may never fully understand, became conscious of itself through you. You are not a meaningless speck in an empty cosmos. You are the universe, experiencing itself, asking the most beautiful question of all. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember, those stars are not just the beginning. You are the continuation of a story that began 13.8 billion years ago and is still being written, one wondering mind at a time.
From the void and back to the void we go. In the light of the stars we finally know.